Hey everyone, it's Luke from Weldpro, and today I'm here to talk about the TIG200 AC/DC welder. The TIG200 is a full-featured AC/DC TIG and stick welder that's got an easy-to-use interface and heavy-duty connections. Included, you'll also find heavy-duty components like this brass flow meter. This is an adjustable flow meter that comes with the machine, so you won't have to pay extra. The TIG200 has welding features that aren't available on most welders at this price range. Now let's take a look at some of the specific features on the face of the machine. The AC/DC control allows you to easily switch between these two modes. There's also the ability to turn pulse on and off right on the display. Going into the menu, we can take a look at each adjustment individually. Pre-flow is the amount of time that the gas flows prior to the arc starting. Next, we have our starting amps. This is adjustable all the way down to 5 amps for DC and 10 amps for AC. If we take a look at the upslope control, this allows us to set in seconds the amount of time it takes for our arc to reach its peak amperage. The peak amperage adjustment sets the highest amperage that the machine will allow to be output when the pedal is depressed to its maximum potential or the trigger switch is depressed and the upslope has reached the peak amperage. When using pulse mode, you'll also find a peak on time control, as well as a pulse frequency control and a base amperage control. These features all combined make for a very user-friendly pulse machine. Similar to upslope, there's also a downslope control. This makes using the trigger switch very easy. The ending amperage and post flow can also be set to give you that finishing touch you're looking for on your weld. Switching from TIG mode to stick mode is as easy as pushing a button on the face of the machine. The TIG200 makes welding so easy, you'll be able to weld aluminum, stainless, and mild steel all in the same machine. The best thing about the TIG200 is that it comes with all of the components you'll need to get started TIG welding. The TIG200 package includes a CK Superflex TIG torch. This thing's awesome and comes with a trigger switch. You'll also find a heavy-duty ground clamp, electrode holder, and all the consumables you'll need to get started. We know you'll love your new machine, and Weldpro will be here to support you. Our excellent customer service is available 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Thanks for tuning in. We can't wait to have you as part of the Weldpro family.